Hey guys, today we are gonna make an original Greek pita bread. For that we need water, milk, sugar, yeast, thymian, olive oil, little salt and flour. Now let's get started. First we put water, then we put milk, then we put 1 spoon of sugar. In the background you will find our little girl will be shouting, but don't give so much attention, just focus on the recipe. So then after that we have 1 little spoon yeast also. There we go. Then we start mixing it. So we just have to mix it until the yeast melts. Okay. Mixing. So we have to see that is about 1 minute, so just we are sure that is all ready. Okay, now it's finished. Now we have to put little bit salt. Okay, then olive oil, thyme or thymian, whatever you call it, just for the taste, which gives pretty much good taste on the bread. It's up to you how much you want it. And then we start mixing it again. And then we add with flour. So I'm mixing it again. So here I don't know how much is needed. You keep adding until it gets harder. Probably will need the whole thing. This is something we will figure out soon. The situation little bit was messed up, and then my wife came over and said, "Go away, I will make it." So now we are in the progress smashing it nicely, and then afterwards we will have it inside here for a while in order to make it a little bit to grow. But for growing it can take from 10 minutes, half an hour to 1 hour to 2 hours. It depends of the temperature of the water, oil that we mix in it, also the temperature of the room. So it all depends. So we nicely cover it. We nicely cover it now and then wait to grow. Okay, now it's ready. As you can see, it's very nicely made. Now we're gonna put in the oil a little bit then make a small piece and then open it. Okay, now we have little bit oil in the pan, just little bit. More we put, more it sucks. And then the fire has to be very low, otherwise we will burn the bread outside and inside won't be ready. Okay, so we have to make 2 to 3 millimeters thick. This shouldn't be a lot thick or a lot of thin, it just has to be just good enough. And then we just light in the pan nicely and with a low fire start. And now we are start making the bread, and it's very important when you guys making it, make sure there are some bubbles coming out from the bread. This means you made a good job. Okay, now we are ready here. Now we start taking it out and then dressing it with the rest. Okay, yep, our bread is ready. Let's see. Now we have it here. So what we can start is oregano. Just a little bit oregano on it, and then Greek tzatziki, then we have the meat, not so many pieces, just a little bit. Then we have tomato, two pieces, onion, and last French fries on it. And of course, if you want, you can put a little bit ketchup on it. Now we are ready. Just have to wrap it nicely. And we are ready. This is our pita gyro finished. Now we can go and taste it. Kalimas oreksi.